In the previous video, you understood what is reverse functionality about. In this video, let's try to understand what is sort functionality about. So I'll take a list. So let's consider the same list. So list one is so 10, 7, 89, 467. If I want to sort all these elements in the ascending order, so list one dot sort. So basically here sort is accepting a value called key where it is assigned to the value none and reverse equal to false. So when reverse equal to false, we can assume that the list would be sorted in the ascending order. So regarding this key functionality, lot many optimizations can be done. So with data structures, when you start working on that, so I'll provide a separate video on this sort functionality where we use the key parameter in detail in some other video. So let's try to sort it. List one. Yes, it got sorted in ascending order. Let's again take the same list. Now let's try to sort that in descending order. Now the list is not sorted. List one dot sort. So now we'll make reverse equal to true. Now let's sort that. So you got it to be sorted in descending order. So either of this way it works. If you want to sort directly, don't provide the value of reverse anything. If you want to sort that descending order, you provide the value of reverse to be true. So either the way, maybe if you just take the value, so you first sort that, and even though then you can also reverse it. So this also would work. So list one, now it got sorted in descending order. That is all about sort functionality. In the next video, let's try to understand what is copy functionality about.